Welcome back to our filmmaking series. Today we are diving into an essential element of storytelling, loglines. You might be wondering what's a logline? Well, it's like a teaser that leaves you craving more after watching a film trailer. Let's break it down. A logline is a single sentence that encapsulates the essence of your movie or screenplay. Think of it as your elevator pitch. But here's the catch, it has to be short, sweet, and captivating. Imagine trying to pitch a brilliant movie idea to someone on an elevator, but then you have a few seconds as they're heading down. That's the kind of brevity we are talking about. To give you a better idea, let's look at a classic example, Shakespeare Romeo and Juliet. The logline for this timeless tale could be something like this. Two young lovers from rival families in medieval Italy make the dangerous decision to elope when their marriage is forbidden by both families. Now, why is this logline effective? It introduces the main characters and the dilemma. The risky decision sets up the families as the potential villains, and it provides a sense of time and place, implying social and cultural restrictions. What's crucial in that is it doesn't reveal the entire plot or the famous dramatic ending. Let's use another example. Imagine a mysterious drifter with a hidden past arrives in a small, crime ridden town and finds himself torn between justice and revenge. Let's break this one down. In this logline, we have our intriguing main character, the mysterious drifter, and the setting, a crime ridden town. The logline hints at conflict, choices, and moral dilemmas. We are already itching to know more. Crafting a logline is challenging, but it's a vital experience for any writer. While some writers create loglines after their project is finished, doing it before can provide valuable insights. It won't give away all of the nuances of the ending, but it clarifies the core of your story. This clarity is a powerful tool to communicate your story's essence to others. You'll find various logline examples out there, but I encourage you to be creative and avoid falling into a formula. Challenge yourself to capture the uniqueness of your story in a single sentence. So next time you're cooking up a story, don't forget to distill its essence into a captivating logline. It's your elevator pitch to the world. Stay creative and remember, one sentence is all you need. Thanks for joining us today on our filmmaking journey. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more filmmaking tips and tricks. Happy writing and see you in the next episode.